Hi guys, Anton Bion here with the Gaia team and Interior Real Estate, and I'm here to present one of our latest offerings. This one's located at 38623 Cherry Lane, Unit 183, within the beautiful neighborhood of Cherry Gardino, Fremont, California. This one is 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath, 938 square feet. With the open floor plan and all the natural light coming in, this property seems much larger. Let's take a look around. Stepping foot inside, you're in the living room, and it feels so cozy. Within the living room, you'll have direct vision of the windows located on both sides of the property. This allows an abundance of natural light to enter into the home. There is a walk-in storage unit that is directly connected to the living room as well. Further into the property, you're in the kitchen. It is a U-shaped kitchen with granite countertops, tiled backsplash, and solid wood cabinetry. The kitchen is directly connected with the dining area that is perfect for a 4-person dining table. Past the dining area and out of the home, you arrive at your very own gated back patio. Not too small and not too large. It is the perfect size to relax outside, have some barbecue, read, exercise, whatever you'd like. It's all up to you. Your gated patio also comes with its very own walk-in storage unit. Back into the home and up the stairs, here's where all of the bedrooms are. The layout is well thought out, with the bedrooms being separated by the full-size bathroom and the laundry area. Having the laundry area right next to the bedrooms provides a lot of convenience. One of the bedrooms offers an office nook, which you can utilize as a work area, and each of the bedrooms have large windows to bring in natural light. This property is located in a quiet and safe community. The HOA provides a large swimming pool, an exclusive clubhouse, and an exclusive playground. This property is also within walking distance to BART, a short drive to Quarry Lakes and Parks, Whole Foods, and a ton of other mom and pop shops. Alright guys, you've seen it all and you heard it all. Now it's time for you to schedule your tour today.